Going out on patrol.
My partner and I
Awaiting orders. We'll get them.
Station 1 needs you to go to...
Full copy, thank you, sir.
Pointed towards row 11.
Clear, 23.
Full copy, thank you, sir. 2 times going to.
Operator, on my way.
Did multiple tickets will get
Standing by.
Yes, ma'am. Wanted to let you know we are en route. Also, you have a 10830 Nottingham. Full copy. All units are out. 14 County 97.
I got you covered, sir. 1918. Going back to base.
64, Duncan, I'll be en route.
10-4, I have Brian Diaz out of Huntington Park. Valid deal, number 1.
Awaiting orders. 10-4.
What unit?
631.
Duncan, they're all 30.
We're done here.
Possibly suspect information.
112, what's your emergency?
Hello? This is Lee Hedges speaking. I'm a security guard at the warehouse at
3095 Oak Avenue.
some guys are trying to rob us.
Is there an alarm system in the warehouse?
Yes.
Can you activate it?
I'm not sure if that makes any sense.
Why is that, sir?
They will run away. Don't you want to catch them?
The police will be there soon. Please, stay where you are.
Okay, I'll be waiting. Bye.
I got you covered, sir. 1918.
Yes, ma'am. Wanted to let you know we are en route. Also,
Shots
you have
fired.
a 10830 Nottingham.
Operator. Going there. Going there.
Pointed towards row 11.
Medical transport needed.
Reporting. Awaiting orders. Going back to base.
Try to call back.
Ready for action. On my way.
Station 1 needs you to go to...
Receiving. Going
I
there.
got you covered, sir. 1918.
Full copy. All units are out.
413, we're with them.
312 en route. 64, Duncan, I'll be en route.
Reporting.
We need a medic here.
My partner and I already took care of that earlier today.
Okay, 143
Ready for next case.
Returning to base.
Full copy. All
Going
units are
there.
out. 14 County 97.
6 out of 1.
Going back to base.
64, Duncan, I'll be en route.
Receiving.
Pointed towards row 11.
112, what's your emergency?
Hi, there's a car following me. Could you please help me?
Where are you?
In my own car. I just drove by 1683 Ferry Street.
What car is following you?
It's a black sedan. The thing is, I actually know the driver.
Are you alone in the car?
Yes, I'm alone. Hello?
I'll send an officer to do a routine check. Drive safely.
Oh, thank you. Please do that as fast as you can.
1499, what do you want to put?
Case resolved.
Okay, 1431. 10 4, hey, can you 911? Check. 11, what's the warrant for?
My partner and I already took care of that earlier today.
Receiving 10-4.
One on the back.
We're done here.
101.
Going there.
Yes, ma'am. Wanted to let you know we are en route. Also, you have a 10830 Nottingham.
Operator?
Can I advise AMR and first responder? Go. Clear.
We're with them.
Ready for next case.
Pointed towards row 11. Clear. 23.
Going there. Awaiting orders.
Get rid of that one.
On my way.
Stung by a stingray. Rescue 61, engine 61.
Awaiting further orders. 10-4.
Medium build wearing a white hoodie and her equipment.
112, what's your emergency?
I'm Michael Miller. I need firefighters.
What happened?
There's a gas leak. I was coming back home and I smelled gas. Sir, it's a huge block of flats. Hundreds of people live here.
Do you know where the leak is? What floor are you on?
On the ground floor, sir. I think it's coming from upper floors.
Sending firefighters now.
Thanks, I'm coming up.
What?
My sister is still in the flat. I need to get her, and I'll try to wake as many neighbors as I can.
Did you turn the fire alarm on?
I tried. I pushed the button, but nothing happened. It might be broken.
No, wait. You need to leave the building immediately.
No way! My sister is inside, and plenty of other people. I need to warn them.
Do you have anything that could ignite a spark?
Such as a lighter? I don't think so.
You need to leave the building. Firefighters will evacuate everyone when they get there.
I can't leave the building! My sister is there!
You might cause an ignition.
I know it's risky, okay? My dad, all firefighters, they risk their life every day. So, I will do it. I need to do it. I'm coming up! Everybody! Leave the building now! Sixth floor. I'm almost there. Jesus. It's hard to breathe here.
You need to run. Sir?
413, we're with them.
112, what's your emergency?
Hello? A block of flats is on fire. Jesus Christ, I've never seen anything like this before. There are people in there.
Thank you, ma'am. We already know about the fire.
Okay, I hope you've already sent someone because it looks horrible. Can I help with anything else?
Got it. That's all, ma'am. The firemen will be there in no time.
I hope so. It looks really bad. Okay then, I shouldn't block the line. Bye.
101.
Station 1 needs you to go to... need police assistance.
1918.
Returning to base.
Adam 1. 1499, what do you want to put?
Roger.
210 going to.
Real route, split it 10-3.
Standing by.
On my way. Ready for action. Going there.
101.
Ready for next
Can I
case.
advise AMR and first responder? Go. Clear.
We need police assistance.
Copy. Volumes are up.
10 copy unit K.
Try to call back to this firearm job.
The entire
Returning
team
to
and possible
base.
suspect information.
Receiving.
Chosen route.
Standing by. 10-4.
Alright, I need units went
112, what's your emergency?
Quick! There was an accident. A woman was hit by a car
Where did that happen?
at a road near...
181 Perry Ridge Drive.
Is she conscious?
I don't think so. She was hit badly. Hello, miss? I think she's unconscious.
All right, check if she's breathing. Tilt her head back, put your ear close to her mouth, and watch if her chest is moving for 10 seconds.
Oh God, I hope I won't do her any harm. I can't hear anything. The chest is not moving either.
Do you know how to perform chest compressions, sir?
No, not really.
I'll tell you what to do. Please, follow my instructions.
Okay, I'm listening.
Kneel down beside her upper body. Place your hands in the middle of her chest, one on top of the other.
Can I do that? Shouldn't I ask for consent?
Trust me, you have consent. Place your hands in the middle of her chest, on a line between her nipples.
Okay, what now?
Now, push as hard as you can. Use your body weight and keep your arms straight. Then release.
Okay. Okay.
Now, keep doing that until the ambulance arrives.
Will do. Please hurry.
Awaiting order.
Requesting medical assistance.
Receiving.
1920, get rid of that one.
10 copy unit K.
Injured on site. Paramedics needed.
My partner and I
Roger.
already took care of that earlier today.
Receiving.
Try to call back to this firearm job.
Reporting.
Did multiple
Going
tickets
there.
were good now.
Going there.
1921.
101.
10-4. 10-4.
Did multiple tickets were good now.
Awaiting further orders.
Injured on board. Returning to base.
Copy, thank you, sir.
101.
413, we're with them.
Did multiple tickets were good now.
Can I advise
Reporting.
AMR
Roger.
and first responder? Go.
Ready for the next case.
Route engine 8. Fifth alarm.
Okay, I'm getting a report of the Churchill fire.